Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are studying an article about the problem of obesity among children is increasing in Malaysia. Based on the article, obesity can contribute to premature death during adulthood due to obesity-related non-communicable disease. Childhood obesity can be overcome starting from the family at home. Create a healthy environment and provide the best nutrition for children to avoid obesogenic factor. Obesity rate at every age in Malaysia, especially among children under age of 5. Malaysia record 29.8% of children under the age of 5 who are overweight and obese. As student of College Kemahiran Tinggi Mara Ledang, we intend to study the problem of obesity among children. Our focus is to determine the age group most affected by this problem. Population of mock study is Malaysia. Sample of mock study in Malaysia is wilayah Persekutuan Putrajaya. 150 people as a sample we collected from wilayah Persekutuan Putrajaya. About gender, men is 60 people, women 19 people. About age, 1 to 6 years old is 20. 7 to 12 years old is 80. 13 and 18 years old is 50. From the sample we collected, it was found that a total of 150 were students, while private sector is 25 and self-employed is 20.
Hello and hi everyone. So in this video, I will explain to you guys about how to generate raw data, how to calculate cumulative frequency, and see how histogram works. Okay, firstly, raw data. Raw data is the data originally generated by a system, device, or operation and has not been processed or changed in any way. For example, to generate raw data, we will use the Excel formula, which is equal range between capital letter in bracket 1, 18 to get 150 sample for our case. Okay, next, how to get cumulative frequency. Firstly, what is cumulative frequency? The cumulative frequency is calculated by adding each frequency from a frequency distribution table to the sum of its predecessor. The last value will always be equal to the total for all observations. Since all frequency will already have a being added to the previous total. So, first for this table, use the number from frequency table only. For example, 23 and put in the column on cumulative frequency and that first cumulative frequency. And next, 23 plus the 19 equal to 42 is the second cumulative frequency. And then repeat this calculation until done. The last value cumulative frequency is the total of frequency. Okay, next, histogram. What is a histogram? A histogram is a type of chart that shows the frequency distribution of data points across a continuous range of numerical value. As you can see, the lowest frequency is class 4 until 6 and the higher class 10 until 12. This is because typically around this age, which is 10 until 12, they will often eat sweet food they like without parental supervision, and parents assume their children can take care of their own nutrition because they are older. This causes many cases of obesity among 10 until 12 years old. From the histogram, we can get mood for the case. So,
for mean, median and mode, we find the value using formula for calculation and Excel. For mean, we use formula mean equal to total fx divided by total f, which is f is frequency value and x is midpoint value. So we get the answer mean is 10. So to find the mean using Excel, we use the average function and we got the answer the same as the calculation answer, which is 10. For mode, we use the formula like this, and this is the guide to the formula that we use. The formula for calculation is 10, 11, and 12. To find the mode using Excel, we use the mode function. This function returns the most frequently occurring value or value in dataset. As you can see, 10, 11, and 12 is answer using Excel. For median, we use the formula as shown here, but solve in bracket first. This is the calculation for median and the answer is 10.37. In Excel, we can find the median using median function, which return the middle value of a given set of number. The median answer using Excel is 75. 75 in age data is 10 to 12 years old.
For standard deviation, by using formula, the formula is square root total fx square divided by total f minus mean square. F is frequency, for x is midpoint, so the answer is 506.63. By using Excel, we get 5.064. So for the conclusion is, based on the value of mode 10, 11, 12, it conclude that the diabetes among children in wilayah Persekutuan Putrajaya is the highest scale. Parents need to avoid rewarding their children every time they succeed in doing something in the form of food such as snack. As parents should be responsible for the daily nutrition of children at home. Therefore, prepare good and balanced food for children. Avoid giving fatty food and excessive sugar. We can prepare food according to the food pyramid. Finally, parents need to teach their children to drink plain water that does not have any calories. The effect is that the body is less at risk of getting excess calories that can cause obesity. Okay, that's all from my group. Thank you.